Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to download and install Endnote for free on your laptop, step by step. Whether you are a student or researcher, this reference manager will save you hours of work. So let's get started and right away. Before we jump in, just a quick note, Endnote is a reference management tool that helps you collect, organize, and cite research sources easily in Word or other software. Normally it's paid, but there are legit free ways to access it, especially if you are a student. Number 1. Check university access. First, go to your university library website and search for Endnote. Many universities provide free access to students and stuff. If your school offers it, you will find a link to download the full access licensed version directly, usually under reference tools or citation software. Step 2. Download the free trial. If you do not have university access, do not worry. You can still try Endnote's official free trial from the Clarivate website. Just open your browser and search Endnote free trial or go directly to endnote.com/downloads. Then click download free trial and choose Windows or Mac and enter your name and email and you will get a download link instantly, and the free trial gives you full features for 30 days and installation. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the installation steps, and they are very simple and easy. Just click on next, accept the license agreement, and choose the default location. The process takes only a few minutes. When it's done, open Endnote and you are ready to start managing your research papers. Bonus tip, you can also use Endnote online, which is totally free. Just sign up at my.endnote.com and manage your references in the cloud without installing anything. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like and subscribe. And for more guys like that, please follow the channel and join us. Your support really matters.